I'm on a mission to create an impact on people, and I'm on a mission to influence a lot of businesses. I'm on a mission to help other people understand that they too can succeed. I think that motivation has changed over the years. My initial motivation was my family and my obligation towards their survival. I was responsible over the family, and my major change happened somewhere around 2008 when the economy started collapsing in the United States, and I didn't really have a career or a background or no evidence that I could succeed. So I had to figure out a path on my own, because at that point, it's not just about me. It's about these little giants, these little people that I have around me that depend on me. So that necessity to help my family survive, that responsibility over my family was the initial impulse that I got. It was what got me going to begin with. I had some very dark moments in my past. I did feel I had to figure out something. I didn't know that I could. At that point, I had no trust in my abilities, but I knew I had to do something about it. I think there's a phrase that you can use, or a word, should we say, that describes this initial push, and it's called necessity level. Being at a level in which you got no choice but to do something about it. So that necessity level to come up with something, even though the system did not show me a path, or I did not take a path in that system, I think that was my initial impulse. But over the years, I accomplished an enormous amount of success. I've been very fortunate. I have several companies. I created one and I sold it 2 years after, and I accomplished abundance, and still today I have abundance. So my motivation has changed. Now my motivation every day as an entrepreneur is, yes, my kids are always pushing me to greatness, and they inspire me. And I just think about my kids. I got 4 of them, and I get goosebumps, and I get these little guys are my universe. But my motivation has become way broader now, and I'm on a mission to create an impact on people, and I'm on a mission to influence a lot of businesses. I'm on a mission to help other people understand that they too can succeed, even if the system did not show them a path. I'm on a mission to create massive effects at scale, and that's something that inspires me every day now, and I wake up inspired. And I can tell you that I really enjoy my team. I have 2 main companies right now. One of them has 100 staff, the other one has 150. So my teams motivate me, because I see them do better in life with what's happening in our group. And that inspires me every day, because a lot of people come to us not really having a career. In my businesses, I don't even ask for resumes. So I help people build their careers. I help people understand their potential. I help people discover, which is basically like me. It's almost like karma, right? I'm just giving back to what the universe gave me. Like, I'm literally somebody that discovered an ability that did not exist, or I did not know it existed. And I'm every day now doing that for other people. And I have fun with people. Like my partners in my companies are my best friends. We spend the time outside of work. We spend it together. We go on vacations together. It's just fun. I enjoy the game of business and helping these people find a career for themselves and helping businesses over the years. So it is overall a very fun activity for me every single day. The AGM marketing agency, AGM stands for Attention Grabbing Media. It's a byproduct of something else that I was doing. AGM was created in 2015 by myself. It's been 7 years now. The reason why I created it goes back to my father. My father, he passed away in January of last year. He was an incredible, absolutely amazing business guy, brilliant marketer, but above all, he was a genius content creator. So I had spent a few years building his social media following and helping him reach a lot of people. And we created some incredible channels. In 2015, we had a lot of growth in our company. We have a company called NaturalSlim that my father and I and my wife co-founded in the USA. My father founded NaturalSlim on his own in 2001 in Puerto Rico. I took that same business, and in 2008, we created a corporation together, and we created NaturalSlim USA, which again goes back to that very dark moment in our life in which we lost everything. And it was 2008, the economy collapses. At that point, my father and I connected, and we opened up the NaturalSlim United States market. We do service the Latin American market, especially because my father was a content creator. He only spoke the Spanish language in his content. What happened was, for over a few years, we tried many different things, traditional marketing, all kinds of different things to try to get the business off the ground. And my big turning point was somewhere around 2012, early 2012, in which I started diving into the world of the internet and understanding how the internet worked. And I started observing the world around me, and I saw people were doing, they were on Facebook all day long, or they were like watching videos on YouTube, and people were on the internet. Attention was on the devices and not on the outside world anymore. So at that point, I started connecting with the internet platforms. I got my father on the social media platforms. We started going heavy on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and Instagram was still not there yet, but mainly Facebook, YouTube. We started going heavy on those things, and my father started taking off. In 2015, we did 100,000 subscribers after 3 years of content in our YouTube channel. Fast forward right now, we got almost 6 million at this point. So it's been quite a journey. But at that point, 2015, my father was actually telling me, son, I got a lot of people asking me about how I'm doing all this. I think it makes sense that you create a company that services people with the success that we've had. And he advised me to create a marketing company. At that point, I had no clue what a marketing company was. I had no background in marketing, no degree in marketing, no university certificate, nothing. But I had gotten really good in the subject of taking somebody that was really, really powerful with a great message and getting him to get in front of more people. And that was 2015. I said, all right, so let's build a company. What are we going to call it? I even brainstormed with him back and forth, and I decided to go with Attention Grabbing Media. And I formed that company, and I started taking in clients slowly and helping other people achieve a similar success while I kept on building my NaturalSlim brand. I'm one of those agencies that is walking their own talk. Instead of just helping other people build their brands, I'm building my brand, finding out what's successful and what doesn't work, and then helping other clients with the successful strategies and get them implemented. It's a great situation because our biggest client at the marketing agency is my brand, NaturalSlim. I have a lot of other great clients. We've grown like crazy, but should we say the guinea pig in the world of AGM marketing. I implement strategies in our brand and I make them work, and then I get those strategies exported into our other accounts and I make them work for them too. If you're enjoying this content, please go ahead and subscribe. Help me comment below and let me know if you have any questions about marketing. And I'm on a mission to help as many of you as possible conquer the marketing world. So help me out. Subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, get notified. Go ahead and subscribe right now.